Hi everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads. Join me in making these really cute and simple earrings featuring our new QuadBow as well as PieDuo and also our BowTrio bead. Join me in making these Tokyo earrings. If you need any supplies, remember you can shop with us online. So to begin our Tokyo earrings, the way we're going to do is stack on top our PieDuo, our QuadBow, and then our BowTrio bead. So to start out, I have some .006 wildfire beading thread, and I'm gonna sew up through my PieDuo from the tip towards the rounded edge or the crust, and then through one of the middle holes of the QuadBow, which has 4 beads. Coming out the top there, I want you to add one 11-0 seed bead, one 15-0 seed bead, go through the middle of your BowTrio. That 15-0 is going to fall down right in the middle there. Add one more 15-0. Add your wire guard or your wire protector. We're going to go down our wire protector on the other side. And as you come down the wire protector on the other side, I want you to sew through the 15 that's already there, through the BowTrio and through the 15 that's already there. So it's a little hard to see on camera right here, but you're sewing through all 3 of those beads. When you give a nice tight pull, you might need to take your fingers with your wire guard and just do a simple little pinch together to get them closer to the design. From here, add one more 11-0 seed bead in that Crystal Lab Full. Go down through the other middle hole of the QuadBow. So there's 4 holes. I went up through number 2. I'm going down through number 3, the whole way down to the bottom of the PieDuo. That's going to sit that right in the middle there. Along the bottom, you can really change up the design, use a drop if you want. I'm going to do 2 15-0s in jet color or black and one 11-0 in my silver. 2 more 15-0s in that jet or black color. And over to the other side of the PieDuo. I'm going up through the second hole of the PieDuo, from the base there, from the V, up towards the crust, and out between the PieDuo and the QuadBow. From here, I'm going to sneak over to the exterior hole, or to hole number 1 of the QuadBow. When I go up hole number 1 of the QuadBow then, I'm going to come out right before my BowTrio. Get my stop thread out of the way. That thread's just going to kind of sit in there and hide nicely in between. From here, add one 11-0 seed bead and up through your BowTrio on that outer edge. From here, I want you to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 15-0s in that jet color. Go up through the wire guard, down through the wire guard on the other side. Such a simple but sweet pair of earrings. And if you got our bead box for the month of October, you already have some of these supplies. You're going to go in then and add 6 more of your 15s. Go down through the other side of the BowTrio, using those seed beads just to frame out the top. Add 1 more 11-0 seed bead, down through that 4th hole of the QuadBow. Make sure that goes between the BowTrio and the QuadBow. Sneak into the interior of the PieDuo, going down through that side and that hole. Go through your 15-0s, through the 11-0. Here would be where I would add a drop if I wanted to, doing a little circle of seed beads. Go up to the 15, remove your stop bead. And once you have that stop bead off, simply tie your thread ends together. Such a sweet and simple design, but the shape of the new beads really, really adds to kind of that, what I'm calling Tokyo feel. Once you have those knots there, bring them towards the back of the design, grab your thread burner, burn them off close to it. Take your threads up or your thread burner and bow them flush against the project. Once they're flush down there against the project, open up your ear wire, slide it on to complete your sweet little Tokyo earrings. Thanks so much and having fun and creating using our new beads to make these Tokyo earrings. They're very, very simple. You can use the design idea even as a necklace or a pendant, rounding them out or connecting them together. This is a quick video to show the uses and how these beads fit together as one component. Remember, if you need any supplies and you haven't gotten your BowTrios as well as your QuadBows or your PieDuos yet, go ahead and check them out with us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. Remember, as always, give a little thumbs up. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads, as well as share your design ideas, questions, and comments below the video in the actual discussion, which happens with us to give us ideas as well as feedback, and also helps to make everybody a better beader. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your new Tokyo earrings.